In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you retrieve your Gmail password using Google Chrome so you can log back into your account with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see 3 vertical dots, almost like an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open up a drop-down menu packed with a list of features and settings options for your browser. Next, from this drop-down menu, look for and select the option labeled Settings. This is where all the magic happens and where you can manage various aspects of your browser's behavior. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page full of options laid out on your screen. Now, as you're navigating through the settings, focus on the sidebar to the left of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of categories you can select. The one you're interested in is labeled Autofill and Passwords. Go ahead and click on it. This section is crucial because it handles details like saving and managing passwords for the sites you visit. In the Autofill and Passwords section, you'll notice an option for the Google Password Manager. This is a central hub where Google stores all the passwords you've asked it to save. Select this to open a list of all your saved credentials. Once you're in the Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of websites for which Chrome has saved your login information. Here, you'll want to look for mail.google.com. This represents your Gmail account. If you have multiple entries, ensure you choose the one that's linked to the Gmail account you're trying to access. After locating the listing for mail.google.com, click on it to expand more options. You'll notice there's an eye icon next to the obscured password. Clicking on this eye icon will unveil your password, allowing you to see what you may have forgotten. Remember, this feature is only accessible if you've saved your password in Google Chrome, and it may ask you for your computer's password to verify it's really you who's trying to view the password. That's it. With these steps, you've managed to retrieve your Gmail password, all thanks to the autofill feature in Chrome. This method is not only convenient, but also a great demonstration of how handy password managers can be when it comes to remembering your credentials. Make sure to store your password securely and consider using a password manager for additional safety and convenience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.